This is my good friend Milton. He is a skeleton. He's about 3 feet tall, and he has just blown into my life. So Milton here is going to be part of my Halloween decoration out front because we need to creep out the little kids, have some fun as adults, and I think Milton will be great for that. Just a couple things you would want to know. First off, he has all these fairly realistic joints. He can move around, he can dance a little bit if you want. He could also sit pretty well. You just gotta get his little butt bones on a solid, piece. He'll sit up by himself. Overall, I'm really happy with the way he looks, and I'm really happy with, like, there's a little bit of tension in his joints, as you can see, so you can pose him however you would like to pose him. I do have one minor complaint, and just so you know, in all fairness, I believe he's supposed to be 3 feet tall. Now, I haven't taken out a ruler, but I'm 6 foot tall and I'm not feeling like he's 3 feet. I'm not gonna measure Milton, I'm not gonna put him on the spot like that, but he's a little smaller than I expected when I ordered a 3 foot tall skeleton. Having said that, I'm really happy to be here in Florida with Doug, and I'm gonna go scare some kids out front. Yeah, I'm gonna take him out front because I am a fan of Milton here. I like him. I think he's gonna be perfect for what I'm trying to do. Up here is mini Milton hanging out in the tree. I think he's perfect for that. Love it. Very happy with him. If you're looking for a cool little skeleton, I don't think you could go wrong with him. I wanted to bring this to you so you know exactly what Milton looked like if you were interested in Milton yourself. Here he is. This is what he looks like.